Hello guys, it's Adam from ESA. Welcome to Guangzhou Huitong Machinery Limited Corporation. Our company is a professional manufacturer with focusing on excavator attachment and customizing excavator parts manufacturing. Today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. Join us as we showcase the impressive capabilities across various scenes. So without further ado, let's get started.
Huitong Machinery Limited Corporation was founded in 2010. In the past 10 years, we supply products to dealers and companies like Sony, Kato, Hyundai, Komatsu, and etc. in China, with competitive price and high quality. Another key point I want to mention is that our company has a large number of international and domestic quality certification systems. In 2014, we acquired ISO and CE certification. In 2018, we acquired National High and New Tech Company certification and got funded from the government. In 2019, we are one of the 10 founders of China Construction Machinery Industry Association. We also have various kinds of patent certificates. The current plant covers an area of about 6,500 square meters. Total employees goes to 16 with a senior technical team of 6 experienced members. The strategy of restricted quality control is what makes our products popular in Australia, New Zealand, South America, Japan, and most Asian countries. Huitong provides high-quality excavator attachments and construction solutions for excavator, which include various non-standard structural parts. The company has its own developing, designing, and manufacturing capacity for excavator attachments, such as general purpose bucket, heavy-duty bucket, thumb bucket, skeleton bucket, rake, ripper, grapple, orange peel grab, vibratory hammer, and etc. Excavator customizing parts such as non-ridge, high-ridge demolition, standard boom, shortening boom, peeling boom, deeper extension.
In Huitong's showroom, you will witness a various kinds of excavator attachments they have developed. At the next part, let's follow Mr. Tang, the manager of our company, to go and see what products that our company has.
In the world of construction, efficiency and productivity are the keys. That's why we have developed excavator long-reach bombs designed to provide unmatched versatilities and performance. Whether you are working on a deep excavation project, dredging options, or demolition tasks, the excavator long-reach bombs is your go-to solution. Currently, we have provided long-reach bombs for excavators weights from 6 tons to 200 tons. Unlock new possibilities in your construction projects with excavator long-reach bomb. In the world of demolition, you need equipment that can handle the toughest challenges. That's why we have developed the excavator demolition bombs, engineered to deliver unmatched strength and control, whether it's towering, high-rise, and industrial facilities, or a sturdy bridge. The excavator demolition bomb is up to the task. Currently, we have experienced manufacturing demolition bombs from 15 meters to 42 meters, from 20-ton excavators to 65-ton excavators, breakthrough barriers with excavator demolition bombs. In the fast-paced world of construction, adaptability is initial. That's why we have developed the excavator telescopic bomb, engineered to provide unmatched flexibilities and efficiencies. Whether you are working on a deep foundations or a narrow space, the excavator telescopic bomb is the ultimate solution for tackling challenging construction tasks, reaching the new deep with our excavator telescopic bomb.
Now let's move to our raw material area. Look at this beauty lady. Aside from me is Mandy, the foreign sales staff of our company. So Mandy, could you please introduce the raw materials of our company?
Yes, of course. And all of our skills are imported from CST. It's a top-level steelmaker from China. The PEP lines used on the bombs are phosphating PEP lines with anti-corrosion and anti-rust ability and could better protect the hydraulic system of your machine. The connecting joint between bomb and arm has been placed copper bushings, which is 6 times durable than normal steel bushings. All of our products are produced through strict scheme, dry making, numerical control cutting, parts processing, material bending, parts welding, branding and polishing, painting, and other steps to complete the production. This is our welding parts. In our welding process, we remove all stains, berries of the steel structure before welding, then polish the berries and blast to SA 2.5. Spray welding primer and welding the steel structure. Defects and flaws are not allowed during welding. Every product has been inspected multiple times before package and delivery. Inspection including incoming material inspection, making sure our raw materials qualification. Welding inspection, making sure every weld meets our standards. Configuration inspection, following up all items in the order. Inspection before sending out, double-checking the order detail, making sure we send out what you exactly wanted. High quality in compliance with international standard.
Alright, that's pretty much about this video. Thanks for listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiries, just feel free to contact us anytime. And I hope to meet with you for the cooperation. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.